If you are looking to know which artificial intelligences will change the world in 2025, this video is exactly for you. We are going to get to know 5 artificial intelligence models, each of which is unrivaled in a specific field, such as language, image, voice, or logical analysis. And this time we will start from number 5 and go to number 1, the most powerful artificial intelligence model in the world, as chosen by experts and users. So stay with me until the end of this video, because you are going to see things that may change the future of your career, education, or even your daily life. And don't forget, if you have any questions, be sure to ask. Number 5, Gemini, multimedia omniscient. The model that came in 5th place is Gemini, a joint product of Google that will be known as a multi-purpose artificial intelligence in 2025. Gemini can analyze and respond to text, images, and voice at the same time. That means you can show a picture, ask a question, and even send an audio file, and the model combines them all to give the best answer. For visual training, video analysis, multimedia content production, or even building smart apps, Gemini is a great choice. If you're looking for an all-round AI that can work with all kinds of data, Gemini is the way to go. Number 4, Claude 2, the ethical and logical analyst. In 4th place is Claude 2, a product from Anthropic that has a special focus on security, ethics, and logical analysis. Claude 2 can summarize long texts, analyze complex arguments, and even engage in philosophical debates. In 2025, this model is considered one of the safest and most reliable AIs, especially for those working in the fields of law, education, or sensitive decision-making. If you are looking for an intelligence that is both accurate and ethical, Claude 2 is a good choice. Number 3, 11 Labs, master of voice and emotion. 3rd place goes to 11 Labs, an AI specialized in voice production and simulation. In 2025, this model has become so advanced that it can simulate your voice with high accuracy, even with different emotions such as happiness, sadness, or excitement. For creating podcasts, dubbing videos, teaching languages, or even producing audio content for social networks, 11 Labs is one of the best choices. If you are looking to convert your voice into a digital version or create the voices of different characters, this model is exactly what you need. Number 2, DALLE 3, the Wizard of Illustration. The second model is DALLE 3, an AI illustrator that can create an image that looks like it was designed by a professional artist with just one sentence. In 2025, this model has become so accurate that it can implement different artistic styles, lighting, facial details, and even emotions in the image. For producing video covers, designing Instagram posts, or even making advertising posters, DALLE3 is an unparalleled tool. If you are also a content creator, this model can help you create professional images without the need for Photoshop. Number 1, GPT-5, master of language, logic, and creativity. And now we come to the 1st place, the most powerful AI in the world in 2025, GPT-5. This model can not only analyze complex texts, but also has a deep understanding of concepts, emotions, and even writing style. GPT-5 can write scientific papers, generate programming codes, create video scenarios, and even play a role in psychological counseling sessions. If you are looking to produce content, translate, write scenarios, or even build conversational bots, GPT-5 is one of the best options. And what's more interesting is that it can have a natural conversation with you, just like a real human. So friends, this was the introduction of the 5 best artificial intelligences in the world in 2025. from all-rounders to masters of language and image. Each of these models is unique in a specific field and can transform your work, educational and personal life. If you would like to know more about each one, be sure to write in the comments and ask questions. If this video was useful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe because we are going to publish more videos about artificial intelligence, content production, and current technologies. Until the next video, stay tuned for the power of digital learning and creativity. And remember, whenever you have a question, just ask.